university degree in Bachelor Science in UST, and she has been a human resource practitioner for more than 15 years. She's currently working as a senior recruitment assistant in international organization for migration. I'm very honored to introduce to you Mrs. Gigi de Guzman Rodriguez.
Well, Teacher Nelly, the honor is mine. Thank you very much for that introduction. So, good afternoon, children. Sleeping na ba tayo? Good afternoon, children. Yes. Good afternoon, parents and special guests. I'm so honored to be here to share this important day, which is the recognition day for our children. And this is only, it's also the day that we recognize the efforts, sabi nga kanina ni teacher, ng ating mga anak, but also the efforts of our teachers and also you parents. So, pwede mo ba natin sabihan ang mga katabi natin ngayon na congratulations, job well done. Sige nga po.
Congratulations.
Katabi niyo po.
Job well done.
Okay. Now, kids, can we say thank you to our parents, to our mommies and daddies, and we love you? Can we say that all together? 1, 2, 3. Thank you, mommy and daddy. Yan. Also, thank you, Teacher Nelly, and all the teachers in Whitvine Tutorial Center. Okay, very good. Pero hindi pa po natatapos yun dito. Because this ceremony, it also symbolizes two things. First, na-complete po natin yung school year natin ng 2012 and 2013. Look at now, meron na tayong mga achievers. Second, it also symbolizes a beginning of a new life, a new chapter of our child's life. Pupunta na po sila, most of them will go to the big school. So, because learning is an endless process. Now, hindi po yun nagtatapos dyan, continuous po ito. So, if it's endless, our support as parents should also be endless and overflowing to our children. Actually, ngayon, ang galing-galing po nga ng mga mommies and daddies natin dahil nandito po kayo para sa kanila. I'm sure Saturday ngayon, iba sa inyo my work or marami po kayong gagawin. But here you are, present to this special day. Giving our continuous support, easier said than done, right? Kasi marami tayong challenges sa atin na lang sasarili din natin as parents, as mommy and daddy, as husband and wife, or grandparents, yung mga kasama natin, kasi minsan sila lolo at lola ang kasama natin. But, ako yun po, challenge din po sa akin kasi I got married late and I have 2 kids. My eldest is 7, she'll be going to grade 2, and then my youngest will be turning 4 this July. So mag-nursery naman siya. And I'm a working mom. So sobrang challenging po talaga. But then, I believe that all challenges can be overcome. But we have our faith in God. So we can accomplish and give our support to our children continuously through prayers. So, para po madali natin tandaan sa prayer na to, we pray to God for patience. O, diba? Sino ba naman na hindi magiging pasensyosa sa mga magagandang batang yan? So, we pray for patience. Because if our children live with patience, they learn to be more enduring or persistent in every endeavor that they will do in the future. We also pray for respect. If our children live with respect, they will be humble, respectful of others, and also respect themselves. so they can assert themselves to others. So, also we pray for affirmation. Affirmation. If our children need with affirmation, we affirm them, we praise them. Our children will learn to be appreciative. Hindi po sila over too critical sa ibang bagay. Hindi po sila lalaking pintasero, pintasera. Mas maligaya ang buhay nila kasi they can appreciate even simple things. We pray for youth. Alam niyo po, we remind ourselves also na that we are young, that we have been young once before. Kasi ang mga batang yan, they also need to have fun. I know that you go out with them, bonding time. So, para ma-enjoy din po nila rin, katulad ngayon, yung learning nila. And then we pray for encouragement. Because with encouragement, they will lead to learn to have high esteem, self-respect, and last but not the least, we pray for recognition. With recognition, they will learn to lead or to set goals. So, sabi nga ng isang, I will end my short talk and I hope na inspire ko kayo sa talk na yun. Sabi nga mo ng isang famous teleserye in the TV, di ba? Kapit Bisig. So, for Kapit Bisig, you know, we have to remember that a family that's prays together stays together. So, nothing is impossible. With prayer, your children will be successful. So, thank you very much.